viewers, Maya, this is Neelam and we are here with the fourth mantra for you. So in the previous mantras we talked about practice, we talked about some ways in which we can spend time with English and how to think in English. The mantra 4 we have for you is set smart goals. We know multiple ways now, but knowing is not enough. Knowing and doing are two different things. So to start doing it, you must first know what you want to do. Your aim here could be to improve your communication skills, to be able to give a presentation in front of an audience, to be fluent in English. Well, how can you achieve this? Apart from the ways we told you in the earlier mantras, there is one more thing that you need to know and do. That is, you need to set smart goals to learn English. To be fluent in English, to improve communication skills, to be able to give a presentation. Yes, these are goals, but these are not smart goals. You might already know what smart goals are. They are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant and time-bound goals. Being fluent in English might be your ultimate goal, but to reach that ultimate goal, you need to set small, tinier goals. Same is for any other goal. You have to set smaller, tinier goals towards your bigger goals. Learning English is no magic pill. It does take time, efforts and dedication. Setting smart goals can help you proceed to, track and achieve larger goals. So how can English learning have smart goals? Well, let's see. S is for small or specific. I want to improve my English, I want to improve my communication skills. Well, these are too general and wide. A small or specific goal can be read the newspaper every day for 10 minutes. You can also add the time. For example, read the newspaper every day for 10 minutes during the lunch break. Another smart goal for communication skills can be to be able to talk to anyone on any given topic for at least 1 minute. M is for measurable. Say you want to improve your listening skills, so a measurable goal can be to listen to an English speech and correctly guess at least 15 words. Later on, you can verify your words with the transcript or the subtitles if they are available. Say you want to improve your vocabulary, so the measurable goal can be learn 2 new words every day and frame sentences for both of them. A is for attainable. Set realistic, achievable goals. Don't set too many goals at one time. Focus on one goal at a time. For example, set a goal that every day for at least 5 minutes you will speak in English with your colleagues or children or friends or even chat in English whenever possible. Or maybe you can set a goal that every day you will write at least one paragraph in your diary. R is for relevant. The goals you set should ultimately lead you towards your bigger goals. Focus on your weak areas. For example, you might be good in speaking on any given topic but might need to work on your pronunciation. Let that be your goal. Your goal can be to reduce pauses in the next audio file by 10% or maybe to speak to complete sentences without any fillers or pauses at all. T is for time bound. Your goals should have a start and an end date. You can evaluate and redo your goals if need be. So your time bound goals can be watch an English television series every day for 1 week or actively listen to one English song every day for a week. Once you set and complete SMART goals, get smarter. SMARTER. E is for evaluate. R is for redo if your goals didn't work out, or if your goals are fulfilled, then R is for reward or recognize your efforts. As you set these smaller goals, start completing them and ticking them off, you will feel motivated for being able to achieve small goals, as well as you will see results and improvements. Write your SMART goals for 1 day or 1 week in a diary and start ticking them off. Celebrate your small achievements, appreciate yourself and aim for the next. Start today, right now. Get set, go. Happy learning! Don't miss out on our upcoming video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook for the latest updates and daily tips.